Hello, all Chris Craft lovers watching this video. You're gonna want to see this boat. 2021 Chris Craft. It's a 25 GT. The transom just got re-teaked. Looks really nice. In the back of this boat, you have this awesome lounging sun pad. Flip this up so you can enjoy the back of the boat. You have a really nice L-shaped seating area in the back, and of course, this woven seagrass flooring is really nice, so you can keep this boat in mint condition. You have your co-captain's chair and your captain's chair on this 25 GT. And of course, you have your Garmin touchscreen display and your hour meter trim. I like that you can cycle through here, so if you want the traditional non-touchscreen look, you can see your speed, hours, everything on there as well. Going into the bow of this boat, you have a very nice seating area with armrests, making this extra cozy. You don't need to worry about spilling your drinks because you have 4 cup holders down here. You can also put your teak table in the front if you want to make this a nice lounging and seating eating area. Again, this is a 2021 Chris Craft 25 GT. Very rare gem of a trade, so come see it at MarineMax Nisswa.